welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another blinging video, and I'm not going to be blinging my nails, I'm going to be blinging my phone case. So to start this video off, I'm going to share everything that you're going to need, but I made this phone case probably maybe like 4 years ago, so it's broken, some jewels have fallen off. I put this through a lot by dropping it, all of that. So this has held up pretty well, and like I said, it's old now. But this had over 2,500 Swarovski crystals, and today we're going to be blinging my OtterBox phone case for my iPhone 8. This was for my iPhone 6 Plus, but now we're going to be blinging the 8, so it shouldn't take as many crystals, but yeah, so we're gonna do that. I just love bling, what can I say? So to show you the things that we need, you're going to need some glue, and I'm using the E6000 glue. That is what I use for this, and they're still on really well. So E6000, this is an industrial strength adhesive, and I got this for $4 at Michael's. Everything I got was at Michael's besides the phone case and the wax pencil. If you watch my bling nails, I used the wax pencil out of my Sandra Celli bling kit. I mentioned why I got this. She blinged my wedding dress and all that good stuff. But it came with a wax pencil, so I'm going to be using that. You will also need some Q-tips, you know, so you can use stuff that's in your house. I like to take the glue and wipe on the glue with the Q-tips so I don't get all messy. You will need a phone case, and I'm going to be working around my pop socket. The colors that I'm using, this reflects, you know, some blue. Isaiah, mommy's filming. You can't always talk when I'm filming, you know? So yeah, I'm going to be leaving the pop socket on, and I'm going to be working around it. And then the fun part, you're going to need the crystals, the bling, bling, bling. Okay, so I don't go to Michael's without a coupon because this can get expensive. These range from $6 to $10. So I got 3 packs of blue, and this comes with 80 pieces, kind of like with my bling nails, but these are blue colors, a light blue and like a dark blue. So I got 3 packs of these, and the ones with like the 3 colors, they are $10. And then I also have 3 of these, like, I call them like opaly, like they're like clear, but they have like a blue iridescent, pink iridescent. However the light hits them, that's what they look like. So these were also the $9.99 ones, $10, because they had the 3 crystal size. And then I also got the same clear iridescent, but these ones were a little smaller, and these were the $6 ones because it only came with the 1 square of crystals. So in total, like I said, I got 9 packs of crystals, which hopefully will be enough, okay? I'm not going to bring the crystals to the side like I did on my other phone case because this is an OtterBox, it's shaped differently, so I'm only going to focus on the back of the case. So let's get into this video. Are you guys excited? Because I know I am, because I love bling. And I'm going to put my glasses on because my eyes have been hurting me, so let's come in a little closer and let's get to blinging.
I want to see the light. See the light. I wanna see wanna see the light. I wanna see the light. I wanna see the light. I wanna see the
Okay, you guys, so the phone case is now finished. I'm going to let it dry, but I am so excited. Pretty much all the crystals are gone except the 2 packs that had just the singles in it. But yeah, this is the phone case, and I want to have a lot more videos like this on my channel. So if you enjoyed watching me bling my phone case, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.